It's like 6:45. We got up and caught the sunrise this morning on the beach, and now I'm just drinking some coffee. And we're gonna pack up our cooler for lunch for our trip to Road to Hana today. Super excited. We don't really have an ice pack, so I have this bag in my luggage. I'm putting ice in. Keep our sandwich is cold. I also have 2 frozen Uncrustables. So. Ryan, the other day when you ate that Uncrustable, do you like heat it up or something, or do you eat it frozen?
Eat it frozen. 'Cause I'm a man.
How are you like normally supposed to eat them?
Normally you let them defrost.
Oh. And then I have 2 papaya halves for us. Some cucumber from the market, our turkey sandwiches. Do you want me to bring your one of your Olipop?
Mm-hmm.
What flavor? That one. Apple. Bring some sanitizer, Ajax, wallet. You need cash apparently for like a lot of little roadside shops. Sunscreen, chapstick. I'm trying to decide what sunglasses. I think I might bring these today. I'm gonna pack all of our non-refrigerated items in this Walmart bag. We have like a few of these sun chips and then popcorn, protein bar, apple, banana. But yeah, on our way to Road to Hana. We're gonna stop at Wailuku Coffee Company and get breakfast first. We pre-ordered, so it should be pretty quick. And then we're gonna stop at the Shell in Paia Town to get gas for the last time before there's no more gas stations. We just picked up our mobile order breakfast from Wailuku Coffee Company.
Why are you trying to have a Hawaiian accent?
What do you mean?
I'm kidding.
This looks so good. My egg, thank you. Ooh, yours looks good. That looks exactly like the photo on the website. Mm-hmm. So pretty. Oh, it comes with an egg.
I thought that you were literally stirring it for the camera that was off.
That's so funny. I just stirred this, like I put my straw in and stirred it like normal, and Brian asked if I was stirring it for the camera that wasn't on. I got a, what is this? Espresso drink with macadamia nut milk and lavender. I'm excited. That's, oh my gosh, you have to try this. That's so good. It's a little sweet.
Tastes like a plant.
Can I try your coffee?
Yeah.
I almost ordered this, the Maui Nui roast. Wow. It's good. All the coffee here is like super good. Okay. Ryan doesn't like to be filmed when he eats. We are on Road to Hana, or on Hana Road, I guess. After stopping at 2 different gas stations because the first one was not pumping gas. I don't know. And no bathroom. But we're on our way. We're on our way to Auntie Sandy's banana bread first. We're gonna drive all the way to Hana first and then work our way back because we're following this Pinterest blog post that I found, and that was when we could get a reservation for Waianapanapa State Park. So that's how we're doing it.
Getting too. They know this road a whole lot better and usually want to go a little bit quicker than the tourists. Please let them pass us.
We're using this guided app that has like this cute little commentary that tells you what you're passing by, and it like follows your GPS location, which is really cool. It was like 15 bucks. It's called GuideAlong. It used to be this app, which is called Gypsy Guide.
We wind our way in,
But now it's this.
of
Got some rain.
Approach this next left bend. Look over to our left. Quickly notice the very tall pine trees. Then after
Well, we're currently stopped and we don't really know why. And it doesn't appear that anybody's moving, so. We're moving. We've been stopped for like 20 minutes, but we're moving again. Oh yeah, we're actually right here. There's like road work going on, so we think that they're like working for like 30 minutes and then letting people go through probably. This is so crazy. They're like scaling the mountain, doing road work, hill work, I don't even know what you call it. Banana bread, and now we're stopping at this little peninsula. Back for more banana bread.
I dropped my banana bread. Okay, we're going now.
It's so good.
It's really good.
It is really good. Thanks, Auntie Sandy.
Point on our drive along the road to Hana, an elevation of around 1,400 feet.
There's a bridge here. Oh, you can see it.
Okay, we're starting on the Pipiwai Trail for a hike. It's already sprinkled a few times, but it's really pretty. So.
It's the rainbow trees.
So pretty. I feel like we're mobbing. We're probably gonna like be tired by the top, but we've already gone how many flights, Ryan? 20 flights, and it's like 60 total, I think. But we're only like half a mile in, not even. The banyan tree. That's so cool. How are you feeling?
I'm gonna climb it.
I think that's frowned upon. Come on. Hello. That smells so good. What's that thing around your waist called?
My Lulu.
No.
I've been calling it my Lou, but that's not what it's called.
It can be. It's yours.
It's mine.
This bamboo forest is so cool. And there's like nobody out here. I feel like it was the move. We drove all the way here first, and then we're gonna hit some stops on the way back. That is so pretty. This is so cool. We made it to the end, 2 miles in. Now we have to go 2 miles back, but it's mostly downhill. And it's raining everywhere in here. Are you ready to go back?
Oh yeah.
We just survived the Pipiwai Trail hike all the way to the falls.
It was not bad.
It wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
It only took us an hour and 40 minutes.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna go check out the pools. This little guide that we downloaded is actually like so good, and it keeps telling us these fun little facts. We just learned that Maui beef is like really good beef because they don't like modify their cows and put them in feed mills and stuff. So
We go over bridge now.
so now we might have to try a burger. But we're just about to go to, what is it called? Kiko Beach? Oh. That's the sound the app makes whenever we
So
arrive
if we
at
missed
like a...
visiting Hamoa and Koki beaches on our
Koki
way
Beach.
out, and we'd like to stop in now.
Here we go. We didn't
Just
even need the
take
map.
this next turn to the right.
But we're gonna stop and eat our lunch here.
Trip,
This is a view from where we're eating lunch.
Very good. Look, there's a little crab. There's a little crab den.
Yeah.
You see all the little...
Look at the bird.
You see the scuffed up sand? Watch them. Watch them move sideways. See the little crabs? Look at that scuffed up sand.
This papaya is so good. How's your papaya? We just got to Waianapanapa State Park. We're about to check in. We had to reserve this online in advance and pay for it. Our time slot's 3 to 6, so it's 2:59 right now. We're just getting here at the beginning of the time slot. You have to arrive within the first 30 minutes of your reservation, it says. Excited to explore it. This is where you find the black sand beaches, I guess. You want to take him home?
Yeah.
Another little kitty. Okay, it's like pouring now. We kind of got out just in the nick of time, but it was really pretty, the black sand beaches. We didn't do the hike just because of timing's sake, but what you looking for?
The map.
I don't have the map.
Yes, you do. You have it downloaded.
It's Google.
No, it's not.
Got our little ices. Okay, we're ready to drive back to Paia Town and grab some dinner probably when we get back there. We're supposed to get back there around 6.
View. Great view for the cows.
So pretty.
Look at the little calf running around.
Okay, let's finish up our journey through Hawaiian history.